Dexter just turned 13 months old and he just learned how to walk this week. Can you show us some of your walking skills? Let's walk. Okay. Here, Dexter. You hold on to that. Now stand up. Stand up. That's seaweed. Seaweed. Your favorite. One of your favorite foods. You just want to root through there. Tear it all apart. Oh, Dexter's coughing and sneezing. Can you blink your eyes, Dexter? Dexter's standing all by himself. Look, yay, good job, and walking. Just took 2 steps. Oh, you said 1, 2. Oh, fall. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, Dexter. Oh, good job. Way to go. Good job, Dexter. Whoopsie-daisy. Okay, say bye-bye, Dexter. Can you wave? Can you wave? Oh. Wave bye-bye. Yeah. Can you blink your eyes? Good job.